Hey everyone, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to comment in someone's post in Tango. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Tango application. Make sure you're logging to your Tango account. Now tap on the feed icon at the top right corner of your screen, which is right next to the notifications icon. Now select the post that you'd like to post the comment. Then tap on the comment icon. At the bottom of your screen, you'll be able to see a comment bar. Tap on it. Now enter a comment. Once you're done, tap on the send button. And this is how you can comment in someone's post in Tango. Thanks for watching Tech My Life. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you're new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.